Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is part 3 to our Lovey tutorial video, and it's going to be a little bit of a different video because there are so many different ways that you can sew your piece up, and me sitting here kind of explaining it to you where you're supposed to go is not going to be very helpful. So I thought I'd play some music under this recording, just have a bit of a chill vibed video, and I'm gonna time lapse it so it's a little bit quicker, but still so that you can see the different areas I'm working into. So the things that we need to do is obviously sew on the face to our head. We need to sew the ears onto our head, then we need to sew the arms and the head onto our main blanket section. So you will need all of your pieces today. You'll also need some black yarn just so that you can sew on your face. And if you haven't left enough yarn length for your pieces, you will need that yarn as well. So I'm just going to get started. I'm going to start off with the head, sewing on the face, and I might jot in here and there to explain certain things to you, but other than that, kind of find your own way of doing it. You can do it in so many different ways. I'm just going to give you an example of how I do my Lovey. And then if you want to do that, you can copy off the video, and if you want to adapt it to what works for you, you can do that also. So go and grab your pieces and then we can get started. Okay, so I've just done the face. You saw the details being on and the ears being on. Once again, you can do them in any way. You can put the face lower, you can do the face in a different way. You could put some safety eyes in, you could put the ears closer together, higher up, lower down. It's all up to you, but that's just how I have done mine for now. Now I'm moving on to the main piece. So what I'm going to do first is sew on the two arms, one on either side like so, and then I will pop the head in the centre, and that will be how my bear sits. So I'm just going to sew the arms on now, and then I'll sew the head on, and then we will be finished. So hopefully yours is going well. Okay, and there we have our piece. So it's all sewn up now onto our blanket. So I hope you've been able to do something very, very similar and create your own lovely bear today as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video and my past couple of videos. I hope you found it helpful and I hope you enjoyed creating your own lovey. Leave me a like if you did enjoy this video, comment down below any questions that you may have, subscribe so you never miss a video, and you can join this wonderful crafting community. There's lots more projects to come, and I'll see you all very soon with another one. Thank you, bye!